say hello to the STO. The £260,000 last hurrah for Lamborghini's very successful Huracan supercar. Now, as last hurrahs go, it certainly looks like it's dressed for the occasion. But mingle around the room a bit, and you'll soon discover there are a couple of things spoiling the leaving do.
For starters, it appears to be completely stupid. Not good stupid, stupid stupid. £260,000 is £50,000 more than a standard four-wheel drive Huracan, for which you get precisely no more power.
What you get instead is bodywork that appears to have been scribbled on by a 6-year-old.
You also get a jiggly ride, you can't see out the back, and there's nowhere to put your coffee.
And if you're thinking none of that matters because this rear-wheel drive, monstrously bewinged Lamborghini is so clearly all about the track, well, frankly, that is also a bit of a concern.
The truth is, this type of Lamborghini has been pretty ropey around a circuit for quite some time now. Yeah, there was plenty of noise and bluster, but if you wanted a satisfying, precise, technical drive, they weren't very good at all.
So, let's see if this STO really can give the long-serving Huracan a decent send-off.